Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Tech Videos. In this video, we are sharing with you top 3 new and unique Android launchers. So keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. Number 1, Circuit Launcher. Search in the Google Play Store Circuit Launcher and install it. I have already installed it, so I am click on the open button. Circuit Launcher easy to use, stylish and offer higher performance. Electric circuit user interface, which gives a next generation launcher to your Android phone. A new clean and perfect user interface design, which gives to easy use and better interactive control experience. It provides more wonderful and useful features and various color themes, which enhance your phone with different style. Number 2, Renegade Launcher. Search in the Google Play Store Renegade Launcher and install it. I have already installed it, so I am clicking on the open button. Enable this option, permit reading over other apps. Then click on the back option. This launcher has a very different concept from the convention. You can find many new features in this launcher. This launcher very easy to use and many more faster. Renegade has 3 major components. Number 1, Sidekick. You can save your time with Sidekick option. I really like this feature. You can access quickly anywhere and anytime. Just click on the Android device side screen. Number 2, Pattern Wizard. A pattern can be simply single dot or more complicated pattern. You can also customize your home screen. Go to Settings, then click on the Layout option. Bottom Genius. Genius widget let you group several frequently used applications horizontally or vertically. The row of icon at the bottom of home screen. You can also be minimized into a smaller size. Number 3, Bubble Launcher. This launcher is quite unique and really cool. You will get access to your wall application right in your Android device on screen. The Android launcher brings also the basic machine of the Apple Watch home launcher right to your fingers. I hope you enjoyed this simple video. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button.